can create your ideal meeting room with Starleaf Room for Windows, which brings intuitively simple Starleaf meetings to the hardware of your choice. To build your Starleaf Room, you will need a PC running Windows 10 and an Android device. You can find a full list of minimum requirements on the Starleaf Knowledge Centre. In this example, I'll be using a mini Windows PC which I've already connected to my TV screen, a Logitech Meetup for my camera, microphone and audio, and an Android tablet for my controller. To start, go to the Starleaf Room for Windows installation page on the Knowledge Centre. Under Section 1, download Starleaf Room for Windows. Run the installer, and when complete, click Finish. This will launch Starleaf Room for Windows. Click Get Started, then Sign In, and you'll be redirected to the Starleaf portal. Make sure that you are logged in as an admin. Then from the Room Systems page, click Add Room System. Configure the settings for your new meeting room, including adding a name, setting the language, and default meeting layout. Under Hardware Endpoint, select Starleaf Room for Windows as your codec. Then click Add Controller and select Starleaf Room Control. Click Apply at the bottom of the page. 2 Quick Connect codes are generated, one for the room system and one for the controller. Go back to the Starleaf Room setup and enter the first Quick Connect code. You will now be prompted to set up your Android device. Now, on your tablet or phone, go to the Google Play Store and download the Starleaf Room Control app. Once installed, open Starleaf Room Control and touch Get Started. Navigate through to the Quick Connect code screen and enter the Starleaf Room Control code generated in your portal. You can prevent users from accidentally closing Starleaf on your controller by setting up screen pinning. To do so, follow the instructions on this screen or refer to your device manufacturer's instructions. Press Continue and you'll be prompted to proceed on your Windows device. Click Settings, then Audio and Video. Use the drop-downs to select your speakers, camera, and microphone. You can adjust your microphone levels with the slider. Once you're finished setting up your devices, close the Settings window. Your setup is now complete. Your Windows device displays an idle screen, and your Android device displays the Starleaf controller home screen. Your Starleaf Room is now ready to join meetings whenever you like. For more information, visit support.starleaf.com.